95% of people fail at manifesting money because they are doing it backwards. They repeat affirmations like, "I am rich," while their subconscious mind is screaming, "No, you're not." If you want to shift your financial reality, you don't need to wish for it. You need to brainwash your reticular activating system. In this video, I'm giving you the exact 3-step scientific process to reprogram your brain for wealth. Step 1. The R.A.S. hack. Your brain processes millions of bits of data every second. To keep you sane, it uses a filter called the R.A.S. It only allows you to see what you already believe is true. If you subconsciously believe money is hard to make, your brain will literally blind you to high-paying opportunities. To fix this, you must change the command. Stop focusing on lacking money and start training your brain to spot abundance. Ask yourself every morning, what micro-evidence of wealth can I find today? It could be a free coffee, a discount, or a new business idea. You are teaching your brain that wealth is normal for you. If you are ready to master your mind and unlock true abundance from home, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Join our community of high vibrational creators. Step 2 and 3, identity and the hypnagogic state. Step 2 is shifting your identity. You don't manifest what you want, you manifest who you are. Act, decide, and think like the version of you who already has. And step 3 is the ultimate catalyst, the hypnagogic state. This is the 5-minute window right before you fall asleep when your brain enters theta waves. Your subconscious mind is wide open. Instead of scrolling on your phone, visualize your bank account growing or your goals being achieved. Feel the relief. That feeling rewires your brain overnight. Your mind is a supercomputer. Stop programming it with fear and start programming it with wealth. Comment below, I am ready to rewire my mind to lock in this intention. See you in the next video.